Hello everyone! Welcome to the Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to work with the writing inset from the language area. This exercise helps to develop the eye-hand coordination skills, the fine motor skills, and also to prepare the child for future writing. Let's watch the presentation. Listen, today I'm going to show you how to work with the writing inset. Watch me and you will have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again.